Hi, my name is Clodagh. I'm a designer, and I designed the interior of this beautiful house in the West Village. The architect of record is Annabelle Veldorf. Let's go and have a look. This is a perfect house for entertaining, and I want to establish that as soon as you walk in. I put a bar in the entry foyer because in Ireland anyway, the first thing you're offered is a welcoming drink. My clients approved of that idea. And you open a door onto a kind of magical land with a curving staircase. We've got moving art on the ceiling. I really love using kinetic art, and you'll see it throughout the home because it brings the house alive. And then you walk into the living room. This room, I think, seats about 18 people easily. Every piece of furniture we design has to pass the flop test. You've got to be able to flop into them like this without hitting anything. I don't like a room all in one style. I like a room to reflect that people have lived through different periods in their lives. And we've used lighting as art, as well as lighting to light. We've an extraordinary circular piece above the fireplace to represent infinity. I love to bring the outside in and the inside out. So I love the idea of having a window seat so you can sit and watch the water flowing out of the scuppers in the garden. And if the windows are open, you can hear the water. And it also helped to drown out the sound of the city. This is the family room, right off the kitchen. It includes the lounging area and the dining area, and 12-foot-high glass doors that lead right to the outside for alfresco dining any time of the year. Perfect for the constant entertaining that goes on in this lively house. And speaking of entertaining, downstairs there's a wine tasting room, in addition to a full spa with steam, sauna, and cold plunge, and a large swimming pool. This is a home spa you literally could charge a membership for. A bedroom is designed for serenity, good conversation, and excellent sleep. The colors are very muted. You don't need hectic colors in a bedroom. We designed this oversized bed because our client is very tall. The back of the bed is made of a wood that's got really beautiful grain in it because I wanted some patterning in the room, but I wanted the patterning to be part of the material. The rug was designed based on reflections in the water in the evening on the creek actually outside my house. It's also designed for two people who work. There's a desk flanking each side of the fireplace. We designed a spectacular bathroom and two really good closets where the shoes are all separated on a shoe wall like in a shoe store, and you don't have to keep opening doors, it's all on view. This room has some spectacular spaces, but there's one we haven't looked at yet, and I think we should go up and look at it. The clients love eating out of doors, so we designed this roof garden with a really long dining room table and with the big barbecue around the corner and built-in lounge seating. This roof garden was also designed as a place the children could escape to play, but come 6 o'clock and cocktail time, it can be a lovely place to see the city all around you. This project is a labor of love. It's designed as a family home, but also as a home to entertain. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next project.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.